Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected guests, faculty members, lecturers, management, and my dear students. First of all, heartily congratulations for each and everyone who has passed. This is a great day and honor even for me as an alumni of this college that I am standing in front of you, in front of my lecturers who were part of my faculty, who had taught me and where I am standing now. I would like to highlight few points, or you can consider this as few tips which you can take forward from here after this day. We'll definitely celebrate, plus you should also remember few points, few guidelines I can say, which I want to give on this occasion. After your completion, what next? I believe many of you have decided that yes, I will go for a job, okay, or I will do my further studies, or I will do a specific course. If you are a computer science engineer or a mechanical, electrical, civil, whichever branch you belongs to, take guidance from your lecturers, seniors. Okay, they will definitely guide you. Okay, my suggestion to you guys is always look for career opportunities where you can build careers, money will follow you. This is my personal experience. When I met one of the dignitaries, a very well personality, when I flown to Dubai for a job, I met a person, he told me, why you are here? Are you looking for money or are you looking for career? Those words struck me a lot, okay? And at that day, I thought, yes, I have to have a job where I can build my career and where I can utilize my knowledge, what I have learned. I being an engineer as well as MBA graduate, you have to always look for a job where you can apply your knowledge, what you have taught, and learn from here. I will give you a very small example, in simple understanding. Now you are a product. And when you go for an interview, how you have to present in such a way that you are a finished product, not just a product, okay? You have to check with your seniors, with your alumni members, ask them, request them for sessions. If required, we'll arrange a session for you to guide for respective branches on what all options are available based on current industry standards. What you have to do if you are a computer science engineer, if you are an electric engineer, what is next? If you don't have a guidance, you can reach the principal, you can reach the coordinators, they can connect back to us and we can have this kind of sessions for you. When you make a decision, these are your final decision. Now, you are a product. When you take next future steps, you have to be very careful in choosing the right path. This is one. Second, if you are any one of you are planning for further studies, you can check with you again, same thing with your lecturers, with your seniors. Okay, they can guide you well, or if you are going for any courses, make sure you choose the right path. Third thing, our chief guest has also highlighted this point, and I would also highlight the same thing, that give back to the college. You should have that passion, and everyone has the capability that yes, once I reach a specific stage, or once I know that, okay, I have that capability, I can give back to the community, to the college, to the institution. It can be your time, it can be your knowledge, it can be your guidance, it can be your ideas, it can be anything. So always remember and be part of the institution. Thank you.